Hey designers, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is TJ. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 fragrances for date night, as well as hanging out with your girlfriends, or if you just want to have a fun night. So, if you want to smell feminine, sophisticated, and elegant all at the same time here, stick around and watch this video. I'm going to share with you my top 5 fragrances. So, first up on my list is Poison Girl by Christian Dior. I love this perfume. Initially, when you spray it, you smell the bitter orange, but as it dries down, you smell the almond, the vanilla, the tonka beans, the sandalwood as well. It's such a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Now, this is perfect when you're going out on date night, if you want to smell warm and sweet without being, you know, too sophisticated, but just fun. So this is like a fun perfume. It's not a very strong or overpowering, but it's just beautiful. The bitter orange just makes it fun. It kind of gives the more fun tropical side of the fragrance. So I really love this fragrance for date night, or if you're going out with your girlfriends and you just want to smell beautiful. This is a beautiful fragrance. So this is in my top 5. So number 2 on my list is one of those big bangers out there, is the YSL Libre. This fragrance is like the best fragrance there is, like one of the best fragrance there is. This fragrance is if you want to smell sophisticated, smooth, like elegant, that it girl, you the it girl on the scene. Like this, oh my god, your date is gonna love you for this fragrance. So the notes in the YSL is vanilla, jasmine, petitgrain, lavender, and orange blossom. Is such a beautiful fragrance. You're going to love it. It's very strong, it's very smooth, it's very sophisticated. I love this. I hope they never stop making this. So if you want to smell beautiful for your date night, or if you just want to be that it girl on the scene, this is a beautiful fragrance. So add this to your collection, you won't regret it. This fragrance is a no joke fragrance. This is if you want to be, taken seriously and you want to feel sophisticated and grown for the night, grown and sexy. This is like a grown and sexy type fragrance. That's what I'll say, grown and sexy, and that's how you want to feel. I would say wear the Versace Crystal Noir. This is such a great fragrance. Like, the notes alone tell you how nice this fragrance is, and it's just a beautiful, sophisticated, grown woman. I'm sexy, I'm out here on this date night, and you're gonna take me serious type of fragrance. So I highly recommend Versace Crystal Noir for one of your date night fragrances. Number 3 on my list, you guys know I love me some Carolina Herrera. Now this one, of course, is the Good Girl. I love this fragrance. I bought this fragrance when it just came out, so it's been out for a couple of years now, and I love this. This is one of my go-to fragrances for date night. If I want to smell warm and inviting and sweet and just, grown and sexy, this is one of my grown and sexy perfumes. Now this is a part of, I think this is a limited edition. I have like 3 different, oh wait, I have another one too. So, but I have 2 other bottles of this fragrance. Whoops, almost hit myself. I have 2 other bottles, but each time she releases like a special edition version of it. But this fragrance is beautiful. Now let's go over the notes. So the notes in this beautiful perfume right here is tuberose, jasmine sambuc, Bulgarian rose, cocoa pod, and amber. Now those notes are beautiful. It really, really makes this fragrance, oops, let's go on the other side because I've been spraying over there. It is such a smooth, sophisticated fragrance. If you just want to smell grown and sexy and just warm and inviting, this fragrance is the perfect date night fragrance. I really love this. This is always going to be my top 5 date night fragrance collection. I really love this. I hope she never ever stop making this fragrance. It's such a beautiful fragrance. So if you want to be taken seriously, you want to be considered, you know, grown and sexy and just ready to have fun for the night, this is a great perfume as well. So last but not least on my list, of course, is the Valentino Donna Born in Roma fragrance. If you want to smell sophisticated and feminine at the same time, this is such a beautiful fragrance. It really brings out your femininity, and the fresh and clean scent of this fragrance makes it sophisticated. Now, initially when you spray, you're gonna smell the jasmine, and then you're gonna smell the bourbon vanilla, but overall the notes in this fragrance is absolutely beautiful. So let's go over the notes. So the top note, well, the top note is blackcurrant, middle is jasmine absolute, and then the bottom fragrance is bourbon vanilla, which is such beautiful notes tied together. Makes this fragrance one of my top favorite fragrance ever, of all time, forever, will always be. So if you really looking for a great date night fragrance, or even just hanging out with your girlfriends, this is a fun fragrance. It's very light, it's very fresh, it's not overpowering, but it says that I'm sophisticated, I'm feminine as well, and I'm here for a great time. So I really love this fragrance, and I hope that they never ever stop making it. So that's it, you guys. Those are my top 5 fragrances if you want to smell feminine, sophisticated, and elegant all at the same time here while having fun, or just being on a romantic date with that guy. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment, you know, like the video, and let me know what you think down below. So I'll see you guys on the next one.